Morning guys, October 23rd, 2023. And this one here, got an annual I have to do for a lady. She's got a Burnham oil-fired boiler, a steel boiler. And I used to do this thing for many years, and then she went with someone else, and then she came back to me after about 5-6 years. That other guy she wasn't happy with. I've been doing it now for a couple of years back, and she's also got a problem with a bad laundry tray faucet that's leaking. I told her I would have time to, if I could fix that faucet, I have time, but if I gotta run out and get another faucet for her, it'd have to be another day, because I got a full day ahead of me, and you know, I don't want to get backed up. I already have a full schedule today. That time of year where everybody's calling for service and cleanings and no heat calls and problems with their heat. That time of year. It starts getting a little chilly out, you know, everybody calls. Ooh. What's this? Good deal, how you doing? Nice. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots. Me and Miss Molly are out working again. Coil's never been used. Last time I was here, no nozzle filter, good oil flow, good draft. It was a year ago. Looks clean. Do the filter. Check the filter. F4. I'm not a big fan of these shutoffs. This style, this angle one, I don't like it. Newer tank. I don't see any leaking. Oh, that's good. Wow. I have to bleed it at the tank, I guess. Bleed it at the burner. Bleed it at the burner. Oh yeah, look at the bio slime. Oh yeah, look at the bio slime. She's dirty. Oh yeah. She's a dirty one, Mama. Bio slime. I'll probably clean this out too. This container's probably got some muck in it. Don't hurt to give this thing a good cleaning too. Just a good, it's a little brush, a little. Don't hurt. Give that thing a good cleaning. This one don't have a spring on it. Usually have a spring. Keep that filter in the middle. Try to get that filter in the middle there, if you can. I'll have to bleed it from the pump to the pump, see what kind of flow we get. Filter needed a changing for sure. And this will turn, and that pin should come out. That pin. Alright. And the rest we're gonna do on the other end. Webster pump. There's no screen in this pump. We're gonna make sure we get a good oil flow, nice and red, because there's no screen. It's an AF. See how wide this is? AFG would be a shorter blade. It's an AF. It's an older burner. Put a little nozzle in it. Running clean. Check for the head. It's all good. It's all good. This is a good example of a burner running clean. Everything's looking good. Everything's running clean. Needed a filter and nozzle. This one would have a tendency to want to be black because of the no pump filter. This nozzle might be a little black on the end, depends. See, nothing major, but a little bit. That's a 75, 70. That's a good nozzle right there. 0.75 is the gallons per minute, 3/4 of a gallon an hour, and the 70 degree is the angle. So it's a 0.7570, which is a common one for this type of head. Alright. Everything's running good, so we're just gonna bleed it. Fire it up, check the fire, let it rip. Let it rip, potato chip. If everything's working good, kind of leave it alone. Don't be a dum-dum. So I left air in the container, so we'll bleed it good here and get a good flow. We'll get a good flow. I guess you want to open this up a couple of turns so everything comes out here. I should be able to start this thing up and run it. Ooh, I didn't shut the power off. good flow of red oil. Sure there's no black in there, because it's like I said, this will have a pump filter. It's all looking good right there. It's off on limit? No? Yeah, I guess it is. 180. Oh, she tripped out on safety there for you. She's running good right there. She's running lean, clean and lean. She's running clean and lean. Leave it alone. That's all you want them. You want them simple. You want everything easy cheesy, lemon squeezy. Alright, no filter at tank, no nozzle, good oil flow, zero smoke. Everything's running fine. She's ready to go.